how to remove hidden tracking apps from your phone. Whether you are on iPhone or Android, the steps are almost the same. So you first of all have to open up the settings of your phone, and after that you have to scroll through this page until you find a folder named apps. So you have to tap on apps, and here you will find all the applications which are installed on your phone. You are able to easily see all the applications on your home pages, but there are also some applications which are hidden and are not shown on your home page. So when you go into your settings and you hop into this apps section, here you will see all the apps which are hidden or not. Now you have to take a deep look on all of the applications from this list, and as soon as you find a suspicious application which you have not installed, you have to simply tap on that application and see the permissions that are asked by that particular application. You have to check whether that application is asking for your microphone or camera, because these are the very essential things that are required by the scamming or tracking applications. So the first step whenever you find any suspicious application in this list which you have not installed is you have to simply uninstall that application. You have to tap and hold on that and remove the application. And after removing it, if you think that you are still being tracked, you have to open any other application that you suspect, and after that you have to turn off its permission of microphone, camera, or anything that is annoying you that you suspect that this app is using. It can also be using your Face ID or any of the illegal permission that you don't want to give to that specific app. You can simply turn that off. But what if you are not able to track any suspicious application in this list? Then let's move towards the next step, which is you have to again hop into the main page of settings, and after that you have to go to general and scroll through this page to the end, and the last option in this list is transfer or reset iPhone. I am on iPhone, but if you are on Android, you just have to search for reset. And as soon as you tap on reset button, here you will see different resetting options for your phone. You can reset all the settings of your phone or only the network settings, your eSIMs, your keyboard dictionary, handwriting style, home screen layout, location and privacy. I mean, you have to just reset only those settings which you suspect are being tracked or tracking you. Or you can simply tap on this reset all settings button and all of your phone settings will be reset, and that tracking thing may also be removed. But if you still suspect that only resetting these things are not working out, you have to factory reset your phone, and that is the only final option that you have to first of all transfer your data to somewhere else if you want, and after that factory reset your phone. There are a lot of tutorials on the internet. You can watch any of them to factory reset your phone, and all of the viruses and tracking apps will be removed from your phone. So that's how you remove all the tracking applications from your phone. Thank you so much.